Okay, so in our previous video, we saw how we could create an account and log in and log out. So in this video, we're actually going to focus on security configurations, and now we can use a PassKey device to log in more easily. So in other words, I think this means that we won't really need the magic link to log in each time. We can just use our own devices. So under the security tab, we have a couple of options here. We're going to focus on this section right here, and we're going to click on enroll a new device. We'll start by naming it phone, because I'm going to be using my phone to do this. Okay, sure. So we're not using this. Okay, so I'm going to choose my phone, which is this phone. And that should give me a notification on my phone. Yeah. So, I don't know if you guys can kind of see it. This sends what we're doing is the browser is sending a notification to my phone asking for confirmation that this is me. So you'll actually need a screen lock on your phone, otherwise this won't work. At least on my Android, it asks me for one. I don't know if that's the case for every phone, but yeah. So after I input my security pin, we can see here that a new device has been added with the phone name. So let's go ahead and test this out. So let's start by logging out. And so we logged out. Let's log back in. Let's put my email here. So the credentials are being checked. Right. So we didn't use an USB. The browser is again asking us to confirm which device we're using, which would be my device. And I already have a notification here asking me for confirmation. Oops, and I actually accidentally got rid of it. So let's do this again. Okay, phone, there we go. There. So you can see that my PIN is being asked again. Confirmed, and there we go. Verified, and we should be redirected to our summaries page. Great. So everything seems to be working just fine. I think this will do it for this particular video. And I'll see you on the next one.